they're pretty. They're putting jewelry in the Daily Goodie box. Seriously.
Cate. Drop.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video for the Daily Goodie Box. And you guys know I am so excited to receive the month of March surprises. So guys, I can't wait to see what's inside, just like I'm sure you are. So let's go ahead and dig into these. So if you're not familiar, the Daily Goodie Box is completely free. Yes, it is free everything, free shipping, everything. You don't have to pay for anything that is inside of this box here, and I'll have all the information down below in my description box so that you guys can get signed up and hopefully grab one of these for yourself. The most important thing to remember is that you guys sign up, you keep up with your surveys, and that you are active on their social media, because you can have a chance of getting a box if you participate through their Facebook as well. Okay, let's get into it. Oh, pretty. I like the way this looks. So these are some lychee ginger chews, and it says it is from a Prince of Peace. So these are gluten-free, and I'm kind of curious. I've never tasted anything gingery, I guess you would say, any ginger chews. When you open it up, you have so many different little packets in there of the ginger chews. Okay, yeah, it is like stuck to it. You see that? But as you can see, it kind of looks like sticky caramel. Smells pretty good. Mmm. Mmm. Oh. Oh, it has a kick. Okay. These ginger chews are really good. They're sweet, they're sort of spicy, and they taste really good. You get like a very soft chew, but I definitely enjoyed that. So this next one I have here is Blister Bone, and this is naturally medicated cold sore therapy. So it comes in that little packet here. Yeah, this is a small container of this medicated relief cream. And if you're suffering with cold sores, then of course, this will be perfect for you. Oh, it's strong. Whew. It has a consistent texture like lip balm. Oh. But yeah, I can feel that medicated cold feel. So it's tingling now. I feel it tingling. Wow. It's instant. Yeah, it definitely works instantly. So yeah. Okay. You got a fever blister? Use Blister Bone. So let's see. The next one I have here is from Balm. This is the active pain relieving muscle spray. And look at this guy here. He's running. He's in shape. The best shape of his life. But you know what? He's sore. So he uses his Balm Active. But yeah, let me go ahead and open this up. So this is what the can looks like. This is a pretty good size. What size is this? 2.53. So for demonstration purposes, so I'm gonna spray some of this on. So I wonder, do you rub it in? Oh, woo. Oh yeah. Oh, it's medicine. It's medicine, all right. Okay, I'm back. I was about to choke under the midst of all the medicine smells. So let's get back into this. The next item that I have here is from a Prince and Spring, and this is a Stella Seltzer, no calorie, no sweetener, no sodium, naturally flavored tangerine drink. Let me do a little ASMR. You know, it's not a bad drink. The problem is that I'm not getting a huge tangerine smell. Like, well, I'm getting a faint smell of tangerine from the drink. However, I don't really taste the tangerine in the drink. And only thing that I've had before this has been water. So let me try again. Maybe my taste buds are a little off. I mean, it puts you in the mind of a Sprite, just minus that really, really sugary taste. It's not bad. I just don't taste the tangerine. It's just tastes like fizz and water. So Stellar, I get that it's naturally flavored, but it's definitely missing the mark on the tangerines. And I like tangerines. So let's see, the next one I have here is from Teami. I've been trying to get a Teami product for the longest. And look, it showed up at my door. So this is Teami Alive, and this is 15 tea bags inside of here. Of course, it has a lot of bags in there. Oh, I can smell it. As soon as I opened it up, that scent came right through. Yeah, it has the tea there inside of the mesh bag, and it smells amazing. Oh, it's pretty hot. But yeah, there is my Teami tea, and time to taste test. Oh, actually, no. It's a little stronger than green tea. Oh, it's hot, but it's so good. Oh, so good. This is the type of tea you can drink it hot, you can drink it cold, you can add something into it to give it a little oomph, maybe just like a drop of honey, but this is absolutely amazing. It is so fresh. Yeah. Team Teami, baby. So, yay, something to eat. Okay, this is the Almond Coconut Bar, and this is from the company Fruit and Nut Bar. I love the packaging. You get a little sample of what it looks like there on the side. And here is this, and how delicious does that look? I mean, seriously. Mmm. Mm. Wow. It is super fresh. You can taste all of the ingredients in here. I mean, that almond is popping out, that honey. You can taste just that crunchiness. I love the crunchiness about it. I love the sweet and the savory. When I told you, this is the money. Wait. Let's turn this a guy for Eddie. Okay. This is everything and more. Okay? Super delicious. We have next. Oh, okay. I love the way it's come packaged. This is actually a beauty mask in here. Look how pretty that is. This is the Environmental Rescue Mask with MTHV complex, and they said it contains one mask inside. Okay, so it comes in its own packaging as well. And of course, looks just like the outer box. And with this mask, they said it spent over 20 years in healthcare researching ingredients to be used to treat specific skin conditions. They said that this product here is supposed to promote cellular repair, reversing oxidative damage, diminishing dark spots, controlling redness and rosacea, enhancing skin elasticity, and it brightens your complexion. Wow, it is promising a lot. So the last one that I have here is from Cate and Chloe, and it's a little box. Oh, I don't hear anything. Okay. Oh, these are pretty. Okay, this is the cutest thing ever. They're putting this in the Daily Goodie Box? What? They're putting jewelry in the Daily Goodie Box. Seriously. Oh, that is so cute. Okay, look, I had to check to see was there anything else in there. See, that's when you're greedy. Okay, you can't just accept that you got these earrings, huh? You got to look under the box and see what else is in there. But these are so cute. These are some earrings. Oh, thank you, Cate and Chloe. Okay, I want to go ahead and try these on. And you guys, comment down below and tell me what you think about these earrings. They must have known. They're like, you know what, girl, you never wear earrings. Here, let's help you out in the next Daily Goodie Box. I think those look really good on me. Well, guys, as you can see, this box is empty. I really enjoyed filming this video. Once again, it was super amazing to unlock this and show you guys what is inside of the Daily Goodie Box. Remember that this is completely free. You can be active on their social media as one way to receive a box, as well as visiting dailygoodiebox.com and signing up. Remember to stay updated on your account and look out for those surveys. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.